We'll guide you through how to set up the latest follower in Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, head over to the Widgets section on the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Alert Box, which is where all your alerts are managed. This is essential for keeping your stream engaging. Under the Alert Box settings, you'll find various tabs like Follows, Donations, and more. Click on the Follows tab to customize your follower alerts. Here, you can change the layout, animation, and sound. To specifically set up the latest follower, go back to the main widgets section and click on Stream Labels. Stream Labels are a feature that allows you to display real-time information. Download the Stream Labels app and install it on your computer. This app will create a folder on your computer with text files that update automatically. After installation, open the Stream Labels app and log in with your Streamlabs account. Once logged in, you'll see a list of labels you can add to your stream. Look for Most Recent Follower and click on it. This will generate a text file on your computer. Now, open your streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs OBS and add a new text source. In the text source settings, select Read from File and then browse to find the most recent follower text file that was created by the Stream Labels app. This will display the name of your latest follower on your stream in real time. Customize the appearance like the font and color to match your stream's theme. Once you're satisfied with the setup, make sure to save all your settings. Now, your stream will automatically update with the latest follower every time someone new hits that follow button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.